In this video, we are going to see classification of breast cancer histology images using neural network models. Overview of our process is breast cancer is considered the one of the common categories of cancer in women. The diagnosis of breast cancer histology images with hematoxylin and eosin stained is non-trivial, labor-intensive, and often leads to a disagreement between pathologists. Here, our input data set is taken from the dataset repository. The dataset contains the both cancerous and uncancerous patient images. Then we have to pre-processing the image. That is, in this step we have to implement image resize or image sharpen for our input data set. After that, we have to implement the feature extraction for extracting the best features from the pre-processed image. Then we have to implement the segmenting the pre-processed image. The segmentation means we have to segment the affected region of our input data. Then we have to split the images for class for applying the neural network model. Here we are applied the CNN, that is convolutional neural network model is used. The purpose of convolutional neural network is used for recognition and classification because of its high accuracy. The experimental results shows that the accuracy as well as it displays the affected region from our input image. Now we are going to see the flow of our process. First we have to take the input image from our dataset repository. The dataset contains the lots of images about the cancerous and uncancerous images. Then we have to implement the pre-processing step. In this step we have to use image resize for reducing the dimension from our input image. Then we have to implement the segmentation step. In this step we have to segment the affected region from our pre-processed image. Then we have to implement the feature extraction technique. In this step we have to extract the best features from the segmented image, and by the system is developed the classification algorithm. In this step we have to implement the deep learning algorithms such as convolutional neural network. Finally, the experimental result shows that the accuracy as well as the affected region of the our input image and training validation accuracy it will be displayed. Okay, finally we are going to see our output part. Just I run our process. It is in running. After running our program, I will explain our output part. Okay, this is our output part. Our dataset contains the cancerous patients and non-cancerous patients details. Here count number of images with no cancerous and yes cancerous. Then this is the sample images from our input data set. Here it will display some of the sample images. Then this is algorithm. This is the CNN algorithm. So here the layer type and it output shape for corresponding layer, and train the images, train on the some of the sample images. Finally it will display the accuracy. This is our original image. Then it will segmented the affected region, then sharpen the segmented region. So this is the validation graph for training loss and training accuracy.